All right, another day, another Air Jordan 1. I know I can't be the only person that's not surprised by another Air Jordan 1 colorway, but here it is, 2022, August. We got an early sneaker that I know a lot of you guys aren't high about, but hopefully this video allows you to see like some different looks, give you like a better opinion about this sneaker, because I'm not gonna lie, the comments and the things I've seen about this shoe is not the best. Regardless, in the studio today, man, we have the Air Jordan 1 Stealth 2022. Now, I wasn't high on this shoe immediately, but y'all hear my reasons of what I got to say after. So without further ado, let's get into it. What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones, and welcome to another video. Back with another early review, man. I know a lot of y'all be slacking on the channel, not subscribed, not hitting the like button, all that crazy stuff, man. Look, I be getting y'all this early heat, all right? I'm saying, like, yo, subscribe to the channel, hit the like, show some love in the comments. Shout out to Hype 24/7 for allowing me to have this sneaker to y'all, but I want to talk about it. Like, let's get straight into it. There's no need to kind of go around the bush on this, all right? So, Jordan Brand gave us an Air Jordan 1 Stealth, and the box is different than what we normally see. We'll normally see like a black and red box, but they decided to kind of switch it up a little bit, and y'all know I'm always for that. White Nike logo branding with the Nike swoosh up under the branded logo. We also get this all gray box, which pretty much sums it up, but like I said, it's usually black and red, so I gotta give some type of kudos to the box. But we ain't coming for the box, man, so let's get to the sneaker. Bow, here we have it, man, the Air Jordan 1 Stealth 2022. Now, my thoughts on this sneaker is pretty simple. I don't think no other shoe that used that Travis Scott Fragment High color blocking is doing well other than the Travis High Frag. I mean, the material on the shoe is good. The colorway is great, right? It's simple. It's just, it's damn near the same shoe as the neutral gray. Obviously, it's a darker gray, right? But it's a white and gray color scheme, but it has the Air Jordan 1 Fragment High color blocking. And so what's the Air Jordan 1 heritage that's still sitting in stores right now that I still think will be good? I guarantee you right now, you can book this, man, 5 years from now, 3 years from now, 4 years now, the Air Jordan 1 heritage will be sold for a lot of money. I got my pair in the closet, DS, sitting on ice. I think right now you can probably still walk inside the store and pick those up right now for retail. But for some reason, whenever Jordan Brand tried to like use that and try to, you know, re-amplify it on other sneakers, it's just not doing well as that Travis Scott High. I think the shoe is great. When it comes to material, my philosophy is if the colorway isn't good, Jordan Brand goes above and beyond on the material side. Check out the Air Jordan 1 Brotherhood. A lot of people didn't like that colorway on that shoe, bro, but the material was butter. And this material is also butter. Look at the toe box, bro. Let me wait for the camera to lock in. You see the butterness on that toe box, bro? Come on, man. That is tumbled leather to the core. Not to mention the tumble on the swoosh and right there on like the Jordan logo or on that wing logo, bro. That is good material. So, like, what more do y'all want? You know what I'm saying? Help me help you. Like, what more do y'all want from this? I think the problem is, other than the color blocking, I think what the problem is, you know, some people might say that the shoe is just too boring. It's not enough going on, but you know me, man, less is more. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I think that the shoe is better off like this. Now, for my people who was wondering about the release date of this sneaker, it's supposed to be released August 27th for the retail price of $170. When it comes to where to buy, pretty much your normal sneaker stores, your foot sites, whether it be Champs, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Hibbett Sports, they will all have these, and including the Nike Sneakers app. Haven't really had too much luck on the Nike Sneakers app, man. I've seen they like re-released some earlier previous Jordans that dropped throughout the year. Let me know if you guys hit on any of those, but it will be pretty much available at all of your local or all of your normal foot stores that, you know, you can go out and buy them at. When it comes to resale for these, I'm not expecting the resale for these to jump up the way that the Air Jordan 1 Heritage is. I think that this one will probably sit kind of close to retail. If they're retailing for $170, I can't see these being sold more than $230. I see $230 being like the max cap, and I'm not sure how fast they'll turn to $230. I think that these will be sitting in stores just like the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Just like I said, color blocking, man. And honestly, just lack of interest when I talk about these and when I bring these up. Nobody just really seemed interested at all, which is surprising because it's Air Jordan 1. And for a long time, it didn't matter what the Air Jordan 1 looked like, what the colorway was, just like the Nike Dunk. They was putting out anything. So let's get into some details about this Air Jordan 1. As you see, the outer sole comes just like we know it to be. All gray rubber outsole with the Air Jordan 1 classic outer sole. Midsole is in a nice Summit white. We usually get like a sale these days from Jordan Brand, but they decided to stay on task, give us a nice Summit white midsole. Now, as you can see, as I told you guys earlier, the toe cap is a different colorway than the back heel of the shoe. They decided to go with all white on the toe cap, and we get this nice buttered, nice dark gray on the toe box. As we move a little bit higher to the back, tumbled leather Nike swoosh right there on the Air Jordan, and then behind that we get this amazing quality on the back heel and the wing as well. A few things that they did differently than they do on most Air Jordans is they decided to put some details on the tongue. Behind the tongue right here, it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. You probably seen that on the back of your Air Jordan 12 box, but they decided to put this on a Jordan 1. Here you go, you see it right there. And they also got like a picture of the GOAT, all right? It's a whole GOAT picture on the back of the tongue. Jordan Brand, y'all know I love y'all, man, but Bron is my GOAT. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate in the comments, bro. Bring it on. It really don't offend me no more, bro. I've been getting hate comments for that for a long time. You know what? The next pair of LeBron should be quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Sue me. Yeah, I said that. They decided to go with a gray sock liner, and the gray sock liner is not the normal sock liner we get either. I'm not sure what material is on the sock liner, but it does feel like it's a step up in quality than we would normally get, which is kind of surprising because, I mean, this shoe wouldn't really stand out to me when it comes to, you know, up in quality on anything other than the tumbled leather, but the sock liner is a little bit different. Now, I'm not sure who heard the rumors, but they said this shoe was actually supposed to release earlier this year, and it was supposed to be in a Kentucky colorway. I think it kind of backfired once the Travis Scott shoe had already released because nobody wants like a remake. You know what I'm saying? Like, I remember when the Travis Scott ones came out, we kind of got a mocha later down the line, but if this same shoe was to drop in a Kentucky colorway, the Travis Scott's comparisons would never stop. And I think Jordan Brand knew that, so they decided quickly to change this into an OG high with a stealth color. And actually, the color blocking of this and the Travis Scott was all on a sample of a pair of 1985. Surprisingly, they never really came out with any concrete sneakers after the sample was made in 1985. We kind of get them later on down the line, but I mean, I'll take it. Feel free to tell me your comments, thoughts, and opinions about this Air Jordan 1. And also, is the reason why the fragment high even going so much is just because it's Travis Scott? Like, if it was another regular release with the same color blocking, would it even be so hot? And it's hard for me to say yes or no because I ain't gonna lie, man, sometimes I get wrapped up in the hype and it's easy for me to just say yes or no. But I think the Travis Scott is being sold for like $3K right now. Like, that Travis Scott high is being sold for $3,000. We almost get like the same exact, well, we get the same exact color blocking on another sneaker, on two different sneakers, and they can't even leave the shelves. But until next time, man, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new. Also, get me on Twitch, man. I am gaming, just chatting just about every single night. The Twitch link is down below. Also, Instagram and Twitter. And you know, I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.